Ano nga ba ang usual na chine-check o rine-review ng mga reviewers ni YouTube sa ating mga channels kapag nag-apply na tayo sa YouTube Partner Program? Alam nyo kapatid, meron tayong mga dapat tandaan at dapat na i-double check bago tayo mag-apply sa YouTube Partner Program. Una, ano ba talaga ang main theme ng channel mo? Is it education? Is it arts and designs? Is it personal experiences, personal vlogs, personal videos, and among others? Anyway, ang gusto lang talaga ng mga reviewers ay makita or make sure na yung mga videos mo na naipost mo doon sa channel mo ay really friendly and fitted to all types of viewers. Kung hindi ba against sa kanilang policies and guidelines. Of course, para makita agad ng mga reviewers ni YouTube kung ano ba talaga yung themes ng iyong channel, pwede mo itong ipakita through your YouTube channel thumbnail. Wala kang magiging problema sa application mo sa YouTube Partner Program if you make sure na wala kang na-violate against the guidelines and policies of YouTube. Second, ina-assess din nila ang most viewed video mo at makikita nila iyon doon sa iyong channel analytics. Wala kang magiging problema dito kung hindi ka nagkaroon ng copyright claims at copyright strike and kapag hindi mo na-violate yung community guidelines ni YouTube. Pero don't worry guys, kasi based on my research, madami akong nakikita na namo-monetize pa rin kahit nagkaroon sila ng mga copyright claims and copyright strike. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung ang ma-violate mo ay yung YouTube community guidelines gaya nung nangyari sa unang account ni Bossing Boy Tapang na iba-iba yung kanyang mga kinakain. Talagang very unique yung kanyang mga videos kasi kumakain siya ng tae, kumakain siya ng feeds and among others. So, kung titignan natin yon, hindi kasi karapat dapat na yun yung ipanood natin sa mga viewers natin kasi um, posible na yung mga viewers natin ay minors which violates their rights. Ito pa guys, kung wala kang mga bagong videos in the previous weeks or previous months, you need to have at least one new video before you apply for the YPP. Since reviewers also want to know if you are active posting videos. They are also assessing your newest videos, and if you have new videos, make sure that these are originally created by you. Kasi ang magiging problema na naman dyan pag nagkataon or copyright claims, copyright strikes, and yung violation mo sa community guidelines. Ito din ay napaka-importanteng dapat nating tandaan kapag gumagawa tayo ng mga videos natin when it comes to its length. Alam nyo ba guys na si YouTube merong tinatawag na 50% rule? Ano nga ba ang mas magandang gawin? Short videos or very long videos? Please note guys that according to Peter Lang, that your video is performing well if the average view duration of that particular video is in the 70% up to 80% range. We can also say that higher than 80% means that the video is performing well. Let's consider this situation, guys. Let's say you have created a 30-minute video clip presentation. So, however, based on the analytics, meron kang mga viewers, nagkaroon ka ng mga viewers sa iyong video which is 30 minutes in length. However, ang kanyang average view duration is only 1 minute and 30 seconds. So what does this mean? Is your video performing well? Now, compare the two videos. Which between these two videos that you have created is effective to viewers? Is it the very long video of which it has only 1 minute and 30-second average view duration, or the short video na nagkaroon ka ng 90% average view duration? Of course, kay YouTube, ang pipiliin niyang mas effective between these two is the second one, which is the short video. So ano yung gusto kong ipaintindi sa inyo? Ang gusto kong maipaintindi ninyo dito is at least magkaroon tayo ng mga at least 70 and above na average view durations ng ating mga video. So, would you prefer to create a very long video na nababagot na yung mga video, yung mga viewers natin, kaya nagli-leave na sila, nagpumupunta sila sa mga other channels, sa mga other videos ninyo? So, just ang gusto kong ma-emphasize dito is to just create a short video na at least alam natin na tatapusin po ng mga viewers natin itong video na ito. So, yun lang po yung gusto kong ma-emphasize on this third important way, or yung important na tinitignan ni reviewer when we apply YouTube Partner Program. So this will be the fourth thing that we need to consider, that we need to review before we apply for the YouTube Partner Program. And this is the video metadata. So ano ba itong video metadata na ito? These are our thumbnails, descriptions, and titles. So it is also very important, guys, na dapat yung mga titles natin ay attractive, na dapat fitted yung title doon sa content ng video natin. And ganun din po sa description. Dinedescribe ba yung talagang content ng channel mo? So this is title, this is description. And how about the thumbnail? Thumbnail, we need to consider, or we need to create a very catchy and unique thumbnail, because ito din po ang talagang tumutulong na mag-catch ng mga viewers sa mga videos natin. Kung attracted yung viewer mo doon sa thumbnail mo, so the possibility is titignan niya, papasok siya doon sa video mo, i-watch niya po yung iyong mga videos if that will be the case. So ito po yung last na important na i-review natin before we apply for the YouTube Partner Program. That's it. So thank you again for watching to my video, and before I'll end, I would like to remind you to please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell on my channel for more videos and update about YouTube. Bye!